Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find calculator and graph features in Gauth AI Study Companion. Now, in order to find it, just open the Gauth mat like this. Now, what you will do is just to click this calculator icon on top here and then wait for it. Now, here you can find this calculator. This Gauth AI Study Companion uses TI-84 calculator, and you can see the features here, which is more advanced calculator than ever. Now you can find the graph just by clicking here. You see it. Here is to use the TI-84 calculator, which is advanced calculator, which is calculator that has all the package. Now you can also find ask question by clicking here. You see it. Describe your question, upload your question, and also enter your email in case you find any issue here. You see it. That's how to find calculator and graph feature in Gauth AI Study Companion. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorial, and also let us know in the comment section if you have any question or if there is any tool you want us to cover. And also watch this tutorial in order to know how to use Gauth AI Study Companion. See you on the next video. Thanks.